Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is freaking exciting. Today we are lowering the AMG. Finally getting to put in those springs that one of my subscribers sent me. I just got the links in the mail, and yeah. So we're gonna be able to walk you through this. I'm learning so you guys can learn with me, and yeah, let's go ahead and do this. But something definitely you can do at your house, in my opinion. So I already got the wheel off, and we're going to be doing the links. Let me show you. Alright, so these are what they look like. They're little lowering links. You put them in the back and they can adjust the air setting pretty much. And it'll raise and or lift. So would you say raise or lower, you know, your ride height. So I have it currently on the slam setting. And we're going to see how this thing works. Alright, so you can see this is the link right here. My finger's touching. So that's what we got to get in there and pop off. It's right there. Not too crazy. Let's see if we can get down there. There you go. You see the little link? So we just got to pop that off. Shouldn't be too difficult. Okay, so you can see my wrench right here. This is the sensor leveler, and this is the link. Right here, right above it, you can't see it, but right above the link on the opposite side, there's a 10 mil bolt. So you're going to get that, and you're going to want to loosen it. I gotta be able to get my hand in there. I gotta hold the sensor steady. Oh, I wish you could come from right here, literally right in front of my face. Here, watch. Let me see this. Let me see it. Okay, right there. Okay. Let me see if I can. Right there. So righty tighty. Righty tighty. Lefty loosey. So it'll be down. It's gonna be this way. Okay, so you're gonna see there's the nut right there. I'm gonna put this wrench on and use your finger to support it so you don't break the sensor, and there you go. Crack it loose. Once it's loose, you just gotta work your way off. Right there, you just work your way. It's gonna be tight. I wanna say there's Loctite on it. And you just keep loosening it till it's off. Okay, so right now, like I said, you just get your ratcheting 10 mil on here and loosen the nut right off. It's pretty easy. And then after this, I'll show you guys what's next. Okay, so next you want to get some needle nose pliers, or the ones that are like this. You can do whichever ones, but you just put this right here on the bottom side and you just pry it to the side, get it to pop off like that. There it goes. Just a little bit more. There it goes. It's off. And then put your hand back up in here and then move that sensor around so you don't break it, and then just wiggle it out. There it is. Just like that. The lowering link is off. Simple. Okay, so now you're going to get your new link right here, which I already have it slammed to the lowest setting it could possibly be at. That's just me. You know, they says they comes preset at a 1-inch drop. I don't want to go through all the trouble for a 1-inch drop. So I have it at a slammed position. So what we're going to do is it comes with this little kit. Right here you're going to have some washers or rubbers, I guess. They look like this. They're flared on one side, almost looks like a cone. Kind of hard to see, but you know, it's elevated on one side. And then there's these little tiny locking pins. So. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to see that the factory link is still attached to this bracket. You can remove this link that's a plug to the sensor. I don't suggest it, because you're prying on it and you snap that sensor, well, you're done. You're gonna spend some money. So it's just that little 10 mil, you unbolt it, you support it, unbolt it, it's real easy. This is gonna be kind of difficult to pry off, but you just basically grab it, get a good little grip on it, twist it, there it is, bam, just like that, very simple. And so the best way to explain this is that this new little rubber seal, cone shaped, you're gonna put the smaller side in. So the nipple where it's sticking out, you'll put that on the inside so that the flare is on the outside. So you just basically just slide that on like that to where it's like the rubber grommet is like cupping the ball joint. And then from there, oh, I can't remember if it was did I do the large side on top or did the small side on top?
I thought you did the small on top.
I did, huh? Right?
I thought you did small on top.
I think I did do the small on top, yeah.
Can we get over there and look?
I don't know.
Time for a pause.
Well, that'll just all get edited. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the smaller side. So you can see there's two different sizes. The smaller side goes on top. Not sure if that matters. Just, that's the way it looks. So, you're just gonna push this on the ball joint until it snaps in. It's a little bit of a bitch on that side. Then, there's gonna be little holes that are inside of that this just locks in. You're just gonna basically just pull this back, slide this in. Oh shit, wrong way. You're gonna come from the bottom. Come from the bottom. So you're gonna slide it in. Once it slides in, it slides all the way through. Then you just twist. You'll see it come out the top. There you go, it's out the top. Oh, it didn't go in. There you go. Oh. Hold on, let's technical difficulties. There we go. Once it slides all the way through, right there, as you can see, it slides through. You just lock that in, push the seal back over it, like that, and now it's back on. See, now it's one unit, and it's locked in. It's not coming off. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is just take the same little other rubber grommet. I'm going to go in on here, put it on facing outwards so that it's going to seal it. So basically it's like a dust cap, in other words. And then I'm going to go ahead and just click that on, pin it, and re-bolt it, and I'll show you when it's done. Real simple. Alright, and just like that, as you can see, it's reassembled. It's on. The bolt is back on and tight. And yeah, the pin's in, locked in, everything is good to go. So now we're just going to reapply the wheel and watch it drop. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and lower the jack down, and we're going to see if we get lowered. Oh, we'll just out of the way, the little wheel chuck.
We're definitely going to get lower.
Oh shit. Okay. Now, I want to say we just open it up.
There she goes.
There it goes.
You hear it?
Oh, she's dropping. Probably should have did it before and after, but maybe I'll just post a picture.
Dang.
It looks like a monster truck now. Oh yeah, it's sitting lower now. Okay. Shit. It's sitting low. Yeah. It's not touching. It's not touching, so let me pull it out. Let me pull it out and see what it does. Because it looks like a monster truck right now. So.
Wow.
it's slammed in the rear. Oh my God.
Wow, it dropped it a lot, son.
Slam. Oh, almost hit the rims.
Wow. On the other side over here where the sun's at. It's too dark on the other side.
Like a monster truck in the front.
Yeah, that's crazy though.
Let's slam on this side.
Just gotta get that front end down, but you're tucking.
Just so you guys can get an idea, we're sitting damn near to the rim, so it looks really good. Now we gotta drop the front end, so this will be the fun part now.